I enjoy working for America's Home Place because I really enjoy the environment overall. You know, there's a great camaraderie that we have here at our office in Macon.
I enjoy working for America's Home Place because it really feels like it's family oriented. You know, it's not just come and going. They really care about how you're doing, your growth within the company. So I feel like that's very important to me.
I enjoy working for America's Home Place because of the interaction between peers, the team spirit, the ability to grow young builders into full-fledged builders.
I enjoy working for America's Home Place. I've subbed for them for almost 30 years, and it's always the quality of work, the people you work for, they have good standards and morals to work by. One of my best memories about working with America's Home Place, it's my first day as an intern. They worked with me, in every single area that I needed help with.
One of my fondest memories in working with a customer would be working with a customer who actually came into one of our open house events, and we actually got to sit down that day and kind of talk a little bit about what they needed in a home. And I came to find out that they had a child who was in a wheelchair, so he was handicapped and needed certain things from the house to make it more handicap accessible. It was a really special time to be able to get to know them and build that relationship with them and then incorporate that into the house. And then once the house was actually built, we were invited to come to the housewarming party that the customer was having. So we got to see, what that actually looked like for a home. It wasn't just, designs on a piece of paper. It was the home that they were going to be living and growing in. So it was a really, really special moment.